In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Xero account. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, accessing your account smoothly is an essential first step to managing your finances with Xero's powerful tools. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero website. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct official website to protect your personal information and maintain privacy. Once the website loads, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, one of the prominent options on the screen is the Login button. Simply click this to proceed. Now, if you already have a Xero account, the subsequent steps are straightforward. On the Login page, you will see fields prompting you to enter your email address and password. Remember, this is the same email address and password combination you used when you first set up your Xero account. It's a good practice to double-check your entries for any typos to prevent login errors. In today's digital age, it's also important to ensure your password is strong and secure. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. However, if you don't have an account yet, there's no need to worry. Right there on the login page, you'll notice an option to sign up. Clicking on this will guide you through the account creation process. You'll need to fill out some basic information, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Follow the easy instructions provided on the screen, and you'll have a new account ready in no time. Once your account is created, you can proceed to log in using your new credentials. After entering your login details and hitting the Login button, you'll be directed straight to the Xero dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to your business's financial management. Here, you can explore an array of features designed to make your accounting tasks simpler and more efficient. Whether it's invoicing, payroll, or financial reporting, Xero provides you the tools and insights needed to keep your business running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Xero account. With access to your dashboard, you're now ready to explore everything Xero has to offer and manage your financial records with ease. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the login process, Xero has a robust support system to help you troubleshoot any problems. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped make the login process clear and straightforward for you. Happy accounting!